So, if you want to give someone access to your Shopify store, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that your Shopify store has a plan that supports users. So, some plans does not support that. So, in this case, you want to go and just check your plan if and also check if it has or if it supports users. But yeah, once you've guaranteed that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your settings at the bottom left here. Now, at the left panel, you want to go ahead and just go to users. Go and just click on users here. And you want to go and just click on the add users at the top right of your screen and just provide the necessary details. Now, in this case, you want to go and just provide their email. So the person that you want to add into or you want to give access to your Shopify store. And you want to also assign a role for them. Now, the highest role that you could give them is going to be administrator, which includes every permission. So it has the same permission as you if you want to give them access. But if you want to give them just like app developer or online store editor, customer support, merchandiser, or marketer here, depending on what you want to do, go and just give them that access. And once you provide all the details and what roles you want to give them, you can also identify if you want to give like two-step authentication. So is it required or two-step authentication not required here? But once you've done that, you could go and just click on save, and that should give them access. So they just need to log in into your account or into their account, and typically they should be able to access your store in their Shopify account. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.